Hi, my name is Dr. Ilagan, one of the instructors here at Premier Career College, where quality education matters. For over 25 years, our school has carefully developed comprehensive educational systems that equip our students not only with the skills, but also the right attitude that they need to be highly qualified entry-level employees in their chosen medical or business field. We offer a specialized and comprehensive training in business programs such as General Office, where students learn how to be effective General Office clerks with proficiency in business communications. We also have Financial Records Processing, where students learn business mathematics and accounting-related computer applications that will secure them jobs as accounting assistants, accounting or billing clerks, bookkeepers, or any other finance or business career. Our medical assisting program prepares students to be efficient medical assistants, performing a variety of front office or administrative duties and back office duties such as phlebotomy in various medical facilities such as doctors' clinics, hospitals, medical schools, and research labs. Some of our medical assisting graduates have also pursued continuing their education onto our vocational nursing program, where students do not only gain hands-on training in patient care, but also receive the kind of education that allows them to apply critical thinking abilities, guided by a better understanding of law and ethics when dealing with patients. Our vocational nursing graduates have successfully gained employment in extended care facilities, doctors' clinics, and even hospitals. Some of them have even moved on to becoming registered nurses. We also have the Hospital Central Services Technician Program or Sterile Processing Program, which is becoming more and more in demand as sterile processing gets increasingly crucial to quality patient care. Through lectures and supervised clinical experience, students gain expertise in decontaminating, assembling, inspecting, and sterilizing today's most advanced medical tools and equipment used in surgical procedures across the country. And finally, due to an ever-growing need, one of our most sought-after curriculums is the Surgical Technology Program, where students learn to combine the knowledge of human anatomy, surgical procedures, and technology, making them invaluable members of the surgical team. As the surgeon's right-hand man, surgical technologists need to have a good understanding of surgical equipment and procedures, as well as an exceptional attitude and coping skills that are necessary in the typically high-stress atmosphere inside the operating room. But with all the colleges and other vocational schools offering the same programs, why Premier Career College, you ask? Our dedication to quality education does not only cover theoretical lessons in the classroom and practical experience gained through externship, but also extends to one-on-one coaching as needed, refresher classes for licensing and certification examinees, flexible scheduling, especially for working students and/or single parents, financial aid support, and a lifetime career services assistance, where our placement experts help students prepare their resumes, facilitate mock interviews, and provide employment and opportunity leads. So take charge of your future and start with us here at Premier Career College, where quality education matters.